Hello. When Punjabis talk about the Aloo Puri, what they really mean is there is two elements to it. So the one element is aloo sukki sabji. Aloo is potatoes and sukki is dry and sabji is stir fried. And the other element is the puri. Puri is made with the flour and rolled into small circular shapes, and they're deep fried and they puff up. It makes a wholesome meal, and this is a really popular street food. Hello, my name is Avtaars. Welcome back, and I hope you're having a lovely day. Roughly about 1.5 kilo of potatoes, going to boil with the skin on to peel it. The first element, which is aloo, and peeled the boiled potatoes, and I'm just going to chop them roughly into thin cubes. Aloo sukki sabji is going to contain those spices. There is some which are going to go now. So there is salt, red Kashmiri chili, turmeric powder, and ground coriander powder, as well as a tablespoon of lemon juice. In goes, I'm quite generous with coriander leaves because I absolutely love it. So I'm just coating them gently. I'm not even using a scoop because I don't want to crush them. Some chaat masala. I make my own, so that goes in there as well. Roasted ground cumin powder. Another thing that I love to put in here is I've got dry mint leaves. I've just taken the leaves and let them dry, and which are really easy to crumble now. This is really good. It gives you that absolutely gorgeous taste, as well as because puris are going to be fried, good because for the digestion as well. So there you go. My aloos are ready, and next bit is atta. To make puris, I've taken 2 cups of flour there, and for this I'm going to take warmish water from my kettle. So it's not boiling hot, but it's warmish. I've kneaded the atta, but for the puri you need the atta to be quite stiff or firm. I'm going to put some oil on this here and let it rest for a few minutes. So while my atta is resting, I'm just going to do that tempering or stir fry. So I need nice 4 generous tablespoons of oil there. Heat it up. I'll start off with a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add this to the oil. Going to turn the heat off because the rest of the spices don't need so much hot oil temperature. In goes 1 teaspoon of whole fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or caraway seeds, 1 tablespoon of the dried fenugreek leaves. Another thing that I always put into the aloo sabji is a product called hing. It's called Asafoetida. So this in India is actually used in the place of onions and garlic and ginger. I'm going to put about half a teaspoon there of the hing, 2 green chilies. Adjust it according to your own taste. Go in as well. And the most favorite of my ingredients in the aloo sabji is the curry leaves. What I tend to do is just break them so that the flavors go into all the oil. See why I had the heat off, because as soon as you put those curry leaves and chilies, they will start burning, so I do not want, and the hing as well, I don't want to have very hot temperature there. Give it a quick stir fry. That is so exotic there, I can tell. And then now I'm just going to add my prepared potatoes. They go in there. And that's it. And gently coat all the potatoes into that oil that we've just done. You can add fresh lemon juice to this according to your own taste. Sample it, and I'm going to top it up with more coriander leaves. That's the aloo sabji is done, and I'm ready to fry my puris. We'll go back to the atta or dough, which has been resting, and the easy way to do is I shape it into one big sausage and then just cut it equal portions. I've turned into the little ball shape, yeah, and cover them. Not using any dry atta to roll them out, because when I left it for resting, I had splashed some oil onto the atta, so that's helping to roll it out. And if you do need, you can always add a drop of oil there. Makes it easier if I have my puris rolled out, so that then I'm just focusing on the frying. And for frying, the oil needs to be hot, not exactly burning hot, but it has to be hot temperature, so that they will puff up straight away when you put it into the, like so. And then I hold it there, in goes another one. You will get into this rhythm of making the puri once you get your oil temperature right, and once you have done them, once you will know exactly what I mean. Just gently nudge it in the middle, and then it starts puffing up. From the kadai, they've gone directly onto the tissue paper or kitchen towel, so that any excess oil gets absorbed. Aloo sabji and puri is ready. My puri is really nice and crispy, completely 2 separate layers. And what we used to do was, when we were little, we would just fill that with potatoes, roll it, super. The flavors from the aloo sabji is coming out, each one you can tell, and then that puri is so delicate and crispy, and it's all balancing up all those flavors from the potato sabji and the fried puri. I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you for being with us. Until next time, God bless you all.